You're consuming these foods daily, and they're silently harming your liver. No pain, no warning, but inside your body, something dangerous is growing. Welcome to Health Sabs. Today, I'm going to show you 3 foods that are slowly destroying your liver, and 3 powerful ones that can help you heal it, naturally. 3 foods wrecking your liver. 1. Sugary drinks. First up, sugary drinks. Sodas, bottled juices, sports drinks. These aren't beverages. They're liquid poison for your liver. Just 1 can of soda can flood your body with over 10 teaspoons of sugar, spiking insulin, promoting liver fat buildup, and driving inflammation. And don't be fooled by diet sodas. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame disrupt your gut microbiome, and that's deeply connected to liver health. 2. Deep-fried foods. I tell my patients this all the time. If we're deep frying, we're dying. Fried chicken, fries, samosas, all cooked in low-grade oils that oxidize fast. These oils bombard your liver with toxic free radicals. Switch to air frying. It's not perfect, but it's a better alternative. And use oils like avocado oil, ghee, or refined olive oil. They have higher smoke points. 3. Ultra-processed foods. Chips, sugary cereals, instant noodles, candies. These are your liver's worst nightmare. They're loaded with additives, seed oils, sugar, and preservatives. That bowl of rainbow cereal? It's not breakfast, it's a cereal killer. Start your day with oatmeal, eggs, or multigrain toast instead. Your liver will thank you. 3 foods that heal the liver. Healthy beverages. First, swap your sugary drinks for healing beverages. Black coffee, green tea, matcha, black tea. These are antioxidant rich and can reduce liver inflammation. Just 1 to 2 cups a day is enough. No sugar. A touch of honey is fine. And if caffeine keeps you up, go for decaf. The liver-friendly benefits still remain. Turmeric, curcumin. This golden spice contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Just 1/2 to 1 teaspoon a day can work wonders. Mix it into soups, marinades, or even evening yogurt. But always consult your doctor before making it a daily habit. The 3 Bs: berries, broccoli, beets. Berries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect liver cells. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, they all work. Broccoli is high in fiber and contains sulforaphane, a compound that boosts liver detox. Add in cabbage, cauliflower, other cruciferous veggies too. And finally, beets. They're rich in betalains, which improve blood flow and detox pathways. Juice them, roast them, or slice them raw. Your liver loves them. Who should be worried? Even if you feel fine. Here's the scary part. You don't need to be overweight to have fatty liver. You don't need to be a drinker either. In fact, over 25% of the global population has fatty liver. And most of them don't even know it. If you feel tired all the time, have brain fog, constant bloating, or dark circles under your eyes, your liver might already be struggling. People with prediabetes, insulin resistance, or high cholesterol are especially at risk. And if you've been diagnosed with PCOS, hypothyroidism, or type 2 diabetes, your liver should be your number 1 priority. Why you should act now, not wait for symptoms. Fatty liver is a silent killer. By the time your liver shows symptoms, it's already in stage 2 or 3 of damage. But the good news? Your liver is a regenerative organ. It can heal, if you give it the right tools. Every small step, removing sugar, adding broccoli, drinking green tea, pushes your body closer to healing. Who needs to be extra cautious? If you're over 35. If you've had a sugar-heavy diet since childhood. If you drink alcohol more than twice a week. Or if you take medications for cholesterol, blood pressure, or mood disorders. Your liver is doing overtime. These groups need to monitor their liver health like a hawk. Because a damaged liver doesn't just affect digestion. It affects hormones, skin, sleep, energy, and even mental health. Your liver works 24/7. But it can't protect you if you don't protect it. Cut out what's harming it and feed it what helps it thrive. Like, share, and subscribe. This small change could save someone's life.